Okay, so we've made the connections here to the pump. The short hose goes to the priming plug, and the long nose comes over to the cistern, and they're both connected now.
We tightened them just to the point of tightness, not too tight.
So the next thing we need to do is open up the cistern valve here. That's this big valve. You turn it 90 degrees. So now water is able to flow into the pump. You take the extension cord from the pump and plug it in here. And you hear the pump going now.
Immediately starts.
Now there's going to be valves inside that are open. You've got to let the air flow through the lines and then close the valves.
You mean the faucets?
The faucets inside in the sink and in the bathroom.
Okay, so after you turn this on, somebody goes into the cabin and they turn on the kitchen faucet.
Oh. Okay, and you want to come here and look at this.
And then you do the bathroom faucet and make sure to get all the air goes out of the lines, right?
Yes. And if you look at the pressure valve here, you see that it's starting to pressurize. So
a minute or two for the pressure valve to go up.
You're also filling a hot water heater inside. Do not turn on the hot water heater until it has hot water in it, or you'll burn out the elements. You have to do this step first.
How long does it take for the hot water heater to fill?
When the pump stops pumping, that means that everything is full, all the water lines and the hot water heater.
Okay, so the pump's going to go until then. Meanwhile, we have opened a faucet in the bathroom and in the kitchen, and they're just going. We have not turned on the hot water heater, but I will show you where that is next.
You should have closed them. Is there air? Okay. Is there water coming out? That's good. Close it. What's happening right now is the hot water heater is filling.
Okay. So then this stuff here, we just cover it up so that nothing gets in it and it's protected, right?
This is some insulation that Pop likes to put in here to help insulate, just a little extra insulation.
Okay, and then this lid goes on. Just lay it on.
Okay, the pump stopped pumping. So everything is full now. So you just go ahead and put the insulation in, and we put the lid back on. This is the pump house.
Okay, pump house is done. And do we unplug it?
No, it stays plugged in all the time while you're here.
Okay, so keep it plugged in. Now what you do, don't put that in your mouth. Now what you do is you go into the cabin, around and in. Into the cabin, and you go to the side of the sink or the side of the stove, and this is the hot water heater. Up is on, off is obviously off. Only turn it on when you're getting ready to use it. Don't keep it on all the time. Okay? So we're gonna turn it on now because it's done pumping and we need to start heating water for this evening to make dinner.